Once upon a time, there was a person coming to a new village relocating, and he was wondering if he would like it there. So he went to a Zen master and asked, "Do you think I would like it in this village? Are the people nice?" The master asked back. "Howard, the people in the town where you came from, they were nasty and greedy. They were angry and lived for cheating and stealing," said the newcomer. "Those are exactly the type of people we have in this village," said the master. A day later, another newcomer to the village visited the master and asked the same question, to which the master asked, "How were the people in the town where you come from?" "They were sweet and lived in harmony. They cared for one another and for the land. They respected each other and they were seekers of spirit." He replied, "Well, those are exactly the type of people we have in this village," said the master. "You see in life, in your life, whatever you see in the world will see you see hope, see good, see love, and the world will see the same in you. But if you only see the nasty and greedy part of people, that is what they will see in you. So be good to the world, and the world will be good to you. Give love to the world, and the world will give love to you." Thanks for watching and stay blessed.